Imagine, for a moment, Earth suddenly flung from the sun's warm embrace, as if our planet was handed a cosmic eviction notice. Cast adrift into the cold, dark void between the stars, Earth would become a lonely wanderer, separated from the only star it has ever known. The sky above would transform into an endless, star-dusted blackness, with no sun to mark the passage of day or night, just a perpetual cosmic midnight. Temperatures would plummet at a staggering rate, freezing the ocean solid and encasing the entire planet in a thick, unyielding shell of ice. Life as we know it would vanish almost instantly, leaving behind only silent, frozen landscapes where bustling cities and vibrant forests once thrived. This scenario isn't just the stuff of science fiction. It's a real, if remote, cosmic possibility that scientists have considered as they study the universe's mysteries. We often imagine our solar system as a perfectly stable clockwork, but the universe is anything but predictable, and cosmic forces are always at play. The same powerful forces that created our solar system, gravity, collisions, and cosmic chaos, could one day disrupt it in ways we can barely imagine. Our place in the cosmos is a delicate balance, a fragile harmony of forces, and understanding these risks helps us appreciate just how precious our stability truly is. We build civilizations and plan our lives assuming the sun will always rise, but the universe operates on timescales and rules that dwarf human history and imagination. Events that seem impossible or unthinkable in a single human lifetime become almost inevitable when you stretch the timeline to billions of years. Exploring these possibilities gives us humility, a sense of perspective, and a deeper appreciation for our cosmic good fortune to exist at all. We are the universe made conscious, able to wonder, to question, and to ask, how secure is our place in the stars, really? The answers, even when unsettling, expand our awareness and inspire us to keep searching, learning, and reaching for understanding. The story of our potential cosmic eviction is, ultimately, the story of our awakening to the universe's true nature, a place of wonder, danger, and endless possibility. It's a powerful reminder. Our home is precious. Its stability is never guaranteed, and our curiosity is what keeps us searching for answers in the vastness of space. To understand how Earth could be thrown off course, we need to look at the forces and relationships that keep our planet in its place. We must first appreciate the solar system's intricate dance, a choreography that has unfolded over billions of years, with each planet moving in harmony with the others. Gravity is the conductor of this cosmic ballet, with the sun's immense mass anchoring every planet in orbit, holding the system together with invisible threads. Each planet balances its forward momentum with the sun's pull, creating stable, elliptical paths that repeat with remarkable precision year after year. But it's not just the sun. Every planet tugs on every other, weaving a complex web of interactions that can subtly shift orbits over time. Jupiter, Mars, and Venus all exert subtle influences, maintaining a delicate balance that keeps Earth's path steady and predictable. This system appears stable, but over long timescales, it's technically chaotic. Tiny changes can build up, leading to unpredictable outcomes. A small disturbance, like a passing asteroid or comet, could amplify imperfections, sending ripples through the orbits and leading to dramatic consequences for the entire system. Our solar system's isolation in the vastness of space has shielded us, allowing this harmony to persist for eons, largely undisturbed. But the galaxy is full of stars, rogue planets, and mysterious dark matter, all moving, all interacting, and all capable of influencing our solar system's fate. Our solar system is a vessel sailing through a turbulent cosmic sea, its course shaped by both internal dynamics and external forces. The question is, what happens when another ship, like a wandering star or rogue planet, passes too close and disturbs the waters? Even a single close encounter could disrupt the balance we take for granted, altering orbits and changing the fate of worlds. The solar system's dance is beautiful, mesmerizing in its order, but it's more fragile than it seems, always just one step away from chaos. For years, we saw the solar system as an isolated family of planets, but new research by Nathan Kaib and Sean Raymond challenges this view, introducing the threat of passing stars. Using advanced simulations, they found that stellar flybys are far more likely to disrupt planetary orbits than we thought. The risk, while still small, is hundreds of times higher than previous estimates. Their work shows our solar system is more vulnerable to external gravitational meddling than we realized. even distant stellar encounters can slowly destabilize planetary orbits over billions of years. Our solar system has a long-term memory of these gravitational encounters, making it susceptible to future disruptions. We're not just orbiting the sun, we're part of a dynamic galactic environment. This research opens a new chapter, revealing how interconnected and unpredictable our cosmic neighborhood truly is. So, what are the odds of a cosmic catastrophe? When we gaze up at the night sky, it's easy to feel safe, as if the universe is a distant backdrop to our lives. But the truth is, our solar system is not as isolated as it seems. Cabe and Raymond estimate a 0.2% chance of a stellar flyby catastrophically altering Earth's orbit in the next 5 billion years. That may sound minuscule, but in the context of cosmic timescales, it's a number worth paying attention to. That's a 1 in 500 shot. Small, but far higher than we once believed. For comparison, it's like buying a single lottery ticket and actually having a real, if remote, chance of winning. The timeline is immense, stretching across eons, but in cosmic terms, it's a real risk that can't be ignored. Over such vast periods, even the rarest events can and do happen. There's a much higher 5% chance that a star will pass within 100 astronomical units of the sun in that time. That's 1 in 20, a risk that's hard to dismiss. Not every close pass causes chaos, but slow, close-moving stars can do real damage. Their gravitational pull can disrupt orbits, sending objects careening through space. Imagine living by a quiet road. Most cars pass harmlessly, but a heavy, slow truck could shake your house's foundation. The analogy holds for our solar system, where most stars pass by unnoticed, but the rare close encounter can have dramatic consequences. Passing stars are those trucks. Most are harmless, but the rare close ones threaten the solar system's structure. These encounters can send comets inward or even destabilize planetary orbits. For Pluto, the odds are even worse, a 4% chance of ejection or collision in 5 billion years. That's a real possibility for the distant worlds on the edge. Objects on the solar system's fringes are more vulnerable to these cosmic intrusions. Their orbits are less stable, making them easy targets for disruption. Pluto's precarious fate is a warning for the entire system. If it can happen to Pluto, it could happen to other distant objects as well. The outer planets are loosely bound and closer to danger. Their distance from the sun makes them more susceptible to being nudged by passing stars. Our solar system's stability is a cosmic balancing act, and the odds, while small, are not zero. Over time, the balance can be tipped by forces beyond our control. Even rare events become likely over billions of years. In the grand sweep of cosmic history, the improbable becomes inevitable. How could a passing star trigger chaos? It wouldn't need to collide, just a gravitational nudge could set off a chain reaction. Mercury, already the most unstable planet, could be pushed into a wildly erratic orbit. If Mercury's path goes haywire, it could collide with Venus or plunge into the Sun, sending gravitational ripples through the inner solar system. The orbits of Venus, Earth, and Mars would be thrown into chaos. A destabilized Venus or Mars could cross Earth's path, raising the risk of planetary collisions. Or Earth could be nudged toward Jupiter, whose gravity could fling us out of the solar system entirely. The system's weakest link, Mercury, could unravel the whole planetary family. A single nudge can trigger a cosmic domino effect, with devastating consequences. The solar system's order is more fragile than we ever imagined. When new research shakes our sense of cosmic security, even experts take notice. Planetary scientist Renu Malhotra called the findings a little scary, highlighting their profound implications. The idea that our solar system is more fragile than we thought is sobering. For decades, we believed internal drift was the main threat, but now we see we're vulnerable to passing stars. Malhotra suggests that the slightly eccentric orbits of Jupiter and Saturn might be scars from ancient stellar encounters. Our solar system may already bear the marks of past cosmic battles. This research forces us to rethink what truly shapes our planetary destiny. The new research is especially grim for Pluto. While Earth faces a 0.2% risk, Pluto's is a staggering 4%, 20 times higher. Pluto's distant orbit in the Kuiper Belt makes it more vulnerable to passing stars. Normally, Pluto is protected by a precise resonance with Neptune, keeping them safely apart. But a passing star could break this delicate rhythm, leaving Pluto exposed. Without its protective dance, Neptune could eject Pluto into interstellar space or send it crashing into another planet. Pluto's fate is a cautionary tale. The outer solar system is the first to feel the effects of cosmic intruders. Its story is a stark reminder of the fragility of order at the solar system's edge. The idea of a passing star disrupting our solar system isn't just about the future, it may explain our past. Nathan Kaib once proposed that a stellar encounter 3 million years ago could have altered Earth's orbit, influencing ancient climate shifts. The latest research builds on this, showing that many small encounters can gradually destabilize the system. Previous models underestimated the risk by ignoring these cumulative effects. It's like being worn down by countless small waves before a final, powerful breaker arrives. The solar system's history is one of gradual erosion by the galactic tide, punctuated by moments of crisis. The past and future are linked by the silent, powerful influence of passing stars. What does this mean for us? The odds of disaster are tiny on a human timescale, but knowing the risk changes our perspective. We live in a universe of immense power and constant change, not built for our convenience. Scientists like Kaib, Raymond, and Malhotra are mapping the hidden currents of our cosmic journey. This knowledge replaces fear with understanding, showing our solar system as a resilient, evolving system. It inspires wonder at the improbable stability that's allowed life to flourish. These discoveries push us to ask deeper questions and explore further. Our existence is a delicate balance, a temporary state of grace in a changing universe. Knowing the risks enhances the beauty of our world and encourages us to cherish and protect it. Every sunrise is a magnificent, improbable event. Our journey through the cosmos continues, and the story of the stars is still being written.